Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, let's talk to you about how you can easily unblock any person on Facebook. But before we start this video, please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes and write your comments. And let us get down to our topic with you friends. If you have previously blocked someone for various reasons on the Facebook app, and now you would like to unblock such a person, it is very easy to do so. Please open the Facebook app on your device. Now go to the menu section. If you have an iPhone, it will be on the bottom right. If you have an Android, you will most likely have the menu section on your main page on the top right. Once you're in the menu, click on the gear to open the settings. And now please scroll through the menu you'll have, and you'll need to find the locked section. Go to that section. And here you will see a list of people that you have previously blocked. And you will just need to click on the word unblock next to the person's name and confirm your actions. And that's it. So you will instantly unblock that person on Facebook. Dear friends, I really hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you friends.